All right, so I got one of these for both mine and my daughter's bedroom. We live in an apartment complex that does not have central air, and we are on the second floor of an apartment that gets afternoon sun. So we absolutely needed to have something to cool us down at nighttime. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We've been using this for about 2 months now, and it has absolutely saved us. So not only can you control the temperature from here, but you can also control it from an app. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is right here, and there's an app that you can download. You can control this app from your phone. So if you happen to not be home, you could always turn it on so it's nice and cool when you do get home. You also do have this remote as well, so you can control this from your bed or from across the room, which is really nice. And then there's also different settings as well. So you can put on low, medium, and high. You also can just use the fan if you don't want to use the air conditioner. There's a timer and a quiet and then a sleep mode. So lots of different settings on here. And then as far as the electricity bill, to be honest, I was a little worried at first with the first month of using this because we were continuously using this every single night so we could sleep. I've been very impressed. It definitely is high efficiency. My bill was not out of control. As far as installation, as you can see, this goes right in the side of the window. I have a vertical window, but if you were to have a horizontal window, it also would fit in there as well. You would just put it in the other way. I am a non-technical person, you guys, and I figured this out. So I can definitely say if I can do it, you can do it in terms of installation. Definitely very impressed, and this has saved us this summer.